Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to enter monitor menu. To enter monitor menu, take a look at the bottom of it. Right here, press second button from the right side. And here, navigate via left-right arrow. Right here you can find picture boost, OSD setup, game setting, extra, exit, luminescence, color setup. To enter menu, press menu button and again press it to switch settings. You switch settings by pressing left and right arrow. To change function, again press left and right arrow. To go back, press input button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.